Hello everyone and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me, Rough Virus, and next to me we have our newest project. This BMW gonna receive new color very soon as well. We gonna change entire look of this car. We gonna replace stock bumpers to M style bumpers, side skirts, mirrors. This car, after we're gonna finish with it, it's gonna look like M5 vehicle. As well, we're gonna wrap it in this really cool ruby red color, including door jambs. So this project gonna be big. Let's begin. Guys, we have a huge mess in our studio because, as you know, we're wrapping this car, including door jambs. Doors are off, but this side is pretty much finished, but we still need to do side skirt, but not this one. This one needs to come off. We're gonna replace it with the M style side skirt, and then we're gonna wrap it. Door insides are almost finished. They are still on the table. We need to finish one more door, and then we're gonna put these doors on the car. And you see, welcome to our mess. That's main reason why I don't like wrapping cars in the door jambs, because you need to remove so many parts. Yeah, as you see, doors all around, some panels everywhere. These doors still needs to be wrapped. Bonnet is done. Now I'm working on front fender. I still need to cut this top part. And this side, still silver. Yeah, we need to wrap inside, outside. Roof gonna be wrapped in the gloss black. Antenna gonna be wrapped in gloss black as well to match mirrors and some other gloss black accents. Ooh, I'll update that we gonna paint callipers as well. That's gonna be cool. We're gonna paint them in red color. And what else? Headlights and taillights. Yeah, customer decided to tint them. So after we're gonna finish wrapping this car, we're gonna install tinted paint protection film on the headlights and taillights. And now is the time for front bumper. Because we don't have original paint, we don't have clear coat on it, and this surface is not the best for vinyl wrapping. To avoid having issues in the future, I installed extra inlays. Now, because I have this inlay right there, I'm gonna install main part. After a leaf cut, material will drop without any tension. So we're gonna be safe in this spot. But if we're gonna have our original paint with a clear coat, this place will be wrapped in one piece with no issues at all. So, let's do it. This car came to our studio 1 week ago looking super boring. It was just silver BMW and we changed it completely. We wrapped it in very bright red color as well. We installed M-style package. It includes front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, mirror caps, and something else I already forgot. We tinted headlights using smoke 70 tinted paint protection film. We tinted taillights using Smoke 50 tinted paint protection film. Roof wrapped in gloss black as well. This time we've wrapped door jambs. When we open doors, inside is red. No more silver. So we've wrapped spoiler in gloss black as well. We installed it on the car and we added gloss red accent on the badge. And now it looks amazing. What do you think? Leave a comment below. You prefer how it looked before or how this car looks now? Thank you for watching. With you was me, Virus, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.